Yeah, so hello YouTube. Yeah, it's another day here. It's on a Sunday morning and we have a laptop here today. Yeah, it's a HP. Yeah, here it's written HP ProBook 430G5. And what is happening with this laptop here? We are going to check together. Let us see this together so that we be on the same page as to what we may have to do for this laptop to work. Yeah, so I'm getting 24 milliamps. And now it's going to 192 milliamps. And I think this is something to do with the battery. Batteries could be taking this power. I don't think this is the machine trying to come on. Yeah, so let's open this machine and maybe try to see the few things we can do here and there. Yeah, so a couple. Okay, let me loosen these screws here. Okay, side. Yeah, this machine is a bit compact. I can feel the plastic is tough. Yeah, this is not like some laptops which have very soft plastics, and so they keep having casing issues because the plastic is very soft and keep breaking. Yeah, this one, the plastic is a bit tough. So it could be durable laptop when it comes to things like falling down. Maybe it cannot break easily. Yeah, we can see it's utilizing an M.2 SSD here and also a hard disk, two storage capacities. We have two RAMs here. I don't know what gigs of RAM are these ones. So each and every RAM, how many gigs of RAM? Yeah, 4 gigs of RAM. There's a PC4 and a frequency of 2400T. Very nice. What about this one? Yeah, also 4 gigs of RAM and the same frequency. The PC4 same frequency, 2400T. And so it's a good laptop, yeah. And so looks like the owner is having a lot of data to store because he's having two storage capacities, which is okay. So it's a good model, it's a good design. Yeah, so let's do the keyboard. Remove the keyboard. Yeah, the keyboard is out. Okay, and I think I'm not the first guy here from what I'm seeing from here, from my end. I think I'm in a very good position to say that I'm not the first guy who is working on this machine. You know why I'm saying this? You can see this part here. Where are these flex connectors? What do we call the flex locks? Why are they open, these ones? This one is open, you can see, and this one is open. Why are they open? I think somebody else was working on this laptop and it's okay. Or maybe this is the reason why the machine is not even coming on. So let me see. There's no need of disassembling the whole machine, and maybe this is the problem. Yeah, check the power supply there. So you're having, yeah, the same milliamps, 196 milliamps as so maybe this is not the reason as to why. Yeah, and I can see now this flex is connecting from the side of the power cable to the side of the motherboard. This is the interlink here. Oh, no, I think that's battery taking all that power. Am I wrong? That is 1.42. That could be the battery. So let me disconnect the battery first. Let me get rid of that battery first, because we might be lied to. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe a clip was holding that down. Yeah, so the battery is here, so we are done with that part here. Okay, the battery. Yeah, there was a screw here. I think we got rid of that. Not in the best way possible, but at least we have access to the battery, the laptop battery. So let me Okay, goodbye, goodbye. If you chose to run away, just go in peace. We'll look for some more screws. So now I want to remove the battery here. So I really want to know. Okay, am I going to have an issue with something here? So it's out. Okay, now let me get rid of the battery. The battery is out too. And let me see something here. Okay, let me try to switch it on without the battery. So 28 milliamps, 18 milliamps. Press the power button. The power button is out now. It's somewhere here. So let me try to short maybe. Okay, let me try to short it a bit. Let's see whether it's going to give us anything. Yeah, okay, yeah. The machine is on. The fan is spinning. You can see the fan is spinning. But are you going to have a display? Okay, I can see some light here. Charging light is blinking. So that's an indication that you might not have a display in this case. I don't know whether you saw that. You saw that somewhere. So let me remove the CMOS battery. Let me try to get rid of it. Okay, touch there. We reset the CMOS. And now insert the charger again. So let me try to, okay, without the CMOS it's supposed to come on automatically. I don't know whether I'm going to have a display. Nothing. You see the orange light here blinking several times and then it's gone. Okay, looks like again the machine is on again. Check this part here. We are going to have an orange blinks. It looks like there are three times, and now it's going 3 times and machine goes out. Yeah, standing at 305 milliamps, that's 0.3 amps. Check this part here. Okay, this will seems like it will keep restarting, and maybe you're not going to get anything out of this. So okay, so I think you know what, I think this board could be suffering from a liquid damage. I don't know whether you can see that. Let me try to show this under the microscope maybe. Yeah, let's go under the microscope so that we can, I see maybe they are okay. I've not removed the cap. The microscope cap is still on. Yeah, you have to keep the microscope cap on, especially when you are not using it because of the lens. Yeah, taking care of the lens is very important. So I see something somewhere. Let me focus here and you tell me whether you can also see something. Okay, is the light too much? Maybe let me try to reduce the light. Is it here? Somewhere here. Is it where? Okay. Yeah, here. Yeah, you see that place there? You see here? What do you think is this? I think something to do with some water or liquid damage could have come through this laptop. Okay, also here you can see that, And there's also a chip here. Let me try to see the condition of this chip. Is it this one here? I don't think so. It's the one that is a bit further. Yeah, this one here. You see this chip? You see how that chip is looking? It's not looking very nice. I don't know what this could be. Liquid damage or something like that. Okay, you mean this pin actually is not even there? Are you supposed to have a pin here? Oh my, 1, 2. So let's try to count using the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we are supposed to have a pin here. So where is this pin? Because I can't see it. So let me try to come with some isopropyl. Let me do some cleanup so that we'll be able to see properly. So I don't know whether it's a chip, is the pin problem, because I can't see that pin there. I don't know why. So let's also try to clean these other areas. Let's try to clean all areas now. This one. Any other area? But I think this pin here, I think I need some solder here to try and regain that pin back. So, and I don't know how to do that. Okay, maybe let me try to yeah, let's try to check pin number 1 so that we may not yeah, I'll try to reflow that chip and see whether this is going to have a change on this laptop in any way. Because I see like there was some kind of corrosion. I'm not quite sure about the other side of the motherboard. Maybe I'll have to disassemble the whole motherboard and maybe turn the other side to see how that side is also looking. But as I can see now, we have an issue with this pin here on this chip. And let me do some reflow. Okay, try to focus there. Maybe let me come with the hot air from this side here. Just to reflow. Yeah, so guys, you can check our pin number 1. We have this dot here and we have the dot here. This is our pin number 1. Okay, a minute. Yeah, so sorry, I had to attend to a customer. Some customers there. So yeah, we were working on this chip here, and you can see the one of the pin, I think, is not touching the ground. This one here. Yeah, and I want to come with some hot gun. I try to make a contact on that pin. We will try to switch on the machine and see whether the machine is going to come on. If it doesn't come on, then we'll proceed to going on the other side of the motherboard. Maybe that's where the issue could be. I'm not sure. But in the meantime, let me do this. Okay. So I want to put some flux there. Let me make sure I'm touching that. I can see some fluxes going there, some solder. Okay, let me try to turn the like this. Yeah, I can see we have tried to reform back that, to do another formation for that chip. Yeah, and I think the pin is looking quite good now. Everything is fine. What do you think? Yeah, let me come with some earbud and try to take out the flux so that we can see with a clear. Yeah, I think the pin is back. I think it's a bit better that way. Some light. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that pin myself. I don't know about you. What do you think? Is it fine? Let's try to put here. Yeah, the pin is back, eh? Yeah, I think I'm okay with that pin that way. So the pin is a Realtek. The chip is a Realtek, as you can see. It's a Realtek. Yeah, you find that that chip has something to do with the display, because or maybe even the coming on the machine, because I think so. Now I think we are going to test now, because we had other areas cleaned, you remember. Yeah, so let's come out of the microscope mode. Let's come back to the camera mode, and we try to see whether this is going to work. Yeah, microscope aside. Yeah, so now let me try to switch on the machine. So what about the, okay, is my camera not focusing? Good, that's focused. Yeah? So the display cable is okay. Yeah, this one is okay. Yeah, so let's test. Let's see. So power supply is taking 5.6. Yeah, from the reading of the, this one is going to peak. You can see the amperes this time round. Now we are not having a 0.3, we're having a 0.6, 0.7 amperes. Yeah, this one is going to peak now. I think I'm almost 90% sure, or maybe 95% sure this is going to work. Yeah, that's why you should have a power supply, because the power being drawn by the power supply, the fan is spinning. Oh, yeah, and that is our laptop is working. You can see. Yeah, one of the important things why you should have a power supply is because from the reading, I can tell whether the machine is coming on from the different model of machine I've worked on before. I'll be able to tell by the power being drawn by the power supply, the amperage. I'm able to tell whether the machine is just about to come okay, or just about to turn on, or maybe when I'm far from making the machine turn on. And when that turned to 0.6, 0.7, I was able to tell this machine is going to work. And as you can see, we have a good machine, guys. So the laptop is working fine, because of the few chips that we have tried to work on, and the corrosion from there. I think it's liquid damage or something like that. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, and so that's it. So what else? Yeah, so guys, subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, you can like, share, comment something down in the comment section, so that we can understand what you feel like, or what you would want us to talk about. And thank you. for the guys who have been able to subscribe. Thank you so much. And that is it for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Have a good day.